Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So in previous video we were discussing about creating a table and primary key and how to set a primary key. So now we are going to start entering data in a table. Means after completing the structure of a table, if you want to enter the data in a table, then how we can enter the data? Okay, so this is your topic. So first of all, if you want to enter the data after completing the structure of table in design view, so you need to open it in the data sheet view. Okay, you need to open the table in data sheet view, and then select the table from the navigation pane. Okay, and click 2 times on the table, and after clicking the table will open and it look like as a Excel spreadsheet, and it display all the field which is defined in the structure. And apart from field, you will also find a blank row with a star symbol. A star means asterisk symbol. Okay, and type the data in appropriate field, whatever you can. And if you want to move to the next field, then you need to press enter button or tab button from the keyboard. And after entering the data in a row, a new blank row will appear automatically. Okay, and if you want to move to the previous field, you need to press the shift plus tab key together. Okay, and if you press tab key on the last field, the cursor automatically jump to the next row. This is very important point. Now the next topic is adding and saving record. Next point is adding and saving record. Okay, so if you want to add a new record, then you need to open the table in data sheet view, and on the home tab in the record group, click new or click new blank record, or press Ctrl plus sign. Okay, and then find the record with an asterisk in the record selector and enter your new information. And if you want to move to the next field in the same row, you need to press tab key, or you can use the right or left arrow key, or click the cell in the next field. Okay, and in a table, to move to the next cell in a column, use the up or down arrow keys or click the cell you want. And after that, when you view another record or close the table, save the new record that you added. And we have another method to select the home tab and locate the record group and click on the save command to save your data. The next topic is editing record in a table. means how we can edit the record after entering in a table, because sometimes it is required to make some changes in a database. Okay, so for editing a record we have some steps. Okay, so the first step is to edit a record directly. Scroll through the record or use the record navigation button to find the record to edit. And the next point is click 2 times on the cell where you want to make changes. Click 2 times on the cell where you want to make changes. And the third point is type the information into the field. A pencil icon appear to indicate the edit mode. Means pencil icon indicate that you are appear to edit the database. And click anywhere outside the record to apply the changes. And if you want to insert a field, then you need to open the table in datasheet view and click right button on the field name where you want to insert the field. Okay, and after clicking the right button, the context menu will appear. Select the insert field option as you can see on your screen. And after selecting insert field option, the new field named as field 1 will be inserted before the selected field. This is very important point. The field will be inserted before the selected field as you are selected previously. Okay, and if you want to delete the field, then select the field by clicking on the field name and press the delete key, or right click on the field name and select the delete field option from the context menu as you can see on your screen. Okay, and after selecting, a dialog box will appear asking for your confirmation. Click yes to confirm the deletion and click no if you want to cancel the deletion. Now I am going to explain moving a field and sorting data within a table with the help of video. But one more thing, there is no voice in video, so don't worry about it. You can watch the video very carefully. Okay, and note down the important point in your computer copy.